Hi, this week we are going to be starting an independent grammar study unit. Everyone will work at their own pace. Each time you need to learn a new skill, so a new section, there will be a little video. This first section, section 1, is types of sentences. I'm going to demonstrate the first example on each page so that you can understand what you need to do for these parts. So, on the first page, we have actual directions here, and you can read and remind yourself what you need to do. I'll read them right now. A sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. A sentence fragment is a group of words that does not express a complete thought. A statement is a sentence that tells something. A question is a sentence that asks something. All sentences begin with a capital letter and end with a period or question mark. In this case, a statement ends with a period. A question ends with a question mark. The directions say, write each sentence, question, or fragment. It says write sentence, question, or fragment for each group of words. Write each group of words as a sentence with the correct punctuation. As you notice, these sentences do not have a capital letter and they don't have end punctuation. So you will need to decide whether it is a sentence, a statement, a question, or a fragment. The first one, number 1, the cat feeds her kittens. Who is that sentence about? It's about the cat. What does the cat do? She feeds her kittens. So, this is a complete sentence. Is it asking us something? No. So we will write sentence. And then we will write the complete sentence. Why don't we put a colon first to separate our answer? The would get a capital letter. Cat feeds her kittens. And since it is a sentence or a statement, not a question, it will end with a period. Make sure that you're sitting your words on the line and using your personal best handwriting. The next page is also about different types of sentences. It talks about a statement again, a question again, and the third one is a command. A command tells or asks someone to do something. It ends with a period. I'm going to add sometimes it ends with an exclamation point. An exclamation shows strong feeling. It ends with an exclamation mark. Here's the example. Write each sentence with the correct punctuation. Are you sure you brought your lunch? That is a question. Are you sure you brought your lunch? Question mark at the end. Okay, so I want to show you an example of that of the command sentence. This one, class stay in your seats. That's someone telling someone else what to do. So, class, stay in your seats. Class, stay in your seats would end with a period. Now, if the teacher was saying it with a lot of excitement in his or her voice, it might end with an exclamation point, but it's still a command, not an exclamation. The next page says every sentence begins with a capital letter, a question ends with a question mark, a statement or command ends with a period, an exclamation ends with an exclamation mark. Read each sentence. Rewrite it with the correct capital letters and punctuation. I'm starving. Seems to me that that would be an exclamation. Please remember to sit your words on the line and use your personal best handwriting. The last page in this section is about proofreading. So with this one, it reminds you what the things are at the top, but then it wants you to think about the sentence types and rewrite the passage at the bottom with the correct punctuation. Now, proofreading, 3 underlines like that means to capitalize a word. And